Let's solve this question. 5 soldiers are standing in a line shoulder to shoulder, whose shoulders are need to be selected from them such that no two neighbors are selected. In how many ways can this be done? So let's just assume this is given that 5 soldiers are standing in a line shoulder to shoulder, that is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. These 5 soldiers are there, they are standing in a line. I need to select 2 soldiers from these 5 soldiers such that no 2 neighbors are selected. For example, if I choose S1, if I choose this soldier S1, then and I cannot take S2, I can choose one among S3, S4 or S5. So there will be cases that if S1 is taken, next soldier can be picked among S3, S4 and 5. So how many possibilities are there? 3 possibilities are there among S3, S4 and S5. So the number of number of ways in which 2 soldiers are selected, if I select soldier 1 in my selection, then the number of cases would be 3 such ways are possible, that is S1, S3 or S1, S4 or S1 or S5. But if soldier selected is S2, if I select soldier 2, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, these 5 soldiers are there. If I select S2, I cannot select his neighbors. So I cannot select S3, I cannot select S2. If S2 is selected, then next place can be filled only in 2 ways, either S4 or S5, S4 or S5. So this can be done in 2 ways. So total such cases possible would be 2. In fact, if S3 is taken, if S3 is selected at first, then its 2 neighbor S2 and S4 cannot be taken. Only 2 cases are possible. So 2 such cases are possible. If S4 is selected, same S3 and S5 cannot be selected, only S1 and S2 can be selected. So 2 ways are possible when S4 is selected. And last case, if S5 is selected at first, if I select S5, then S4 cannot be selected, then I can choose one soldier among S1, S2 and S3. So total number of ways to fill this position is 3. Total number of ways are 3. So how many ways are there? So total number of such cases are 3 plus 2, 5 and 2, 7 and 2, 9 and 3, 12. But one important thing is, in these 3 selections, there were S1 and S3. This is one such selection. Second was S1, S4 and third was S1, S5. I am counting this selection twice in these 12 cases. How? When I take S3 as one soldier and I am saying that it can be filled in 2 ways, those two ways are either S1 is taken or S5 is taken. So one selection would be S3 S1 and one selection would be S3 S5. So this combination is added twice or it is counted twice. And similarly, in all such selections, in all such cases, every case is counted twice. So I have to divide these selections or these number of ways by 2. So total number of ways would be 12 divided by 2, because each case is counted twice. So I have to subtract those cases. So the correct answer to this question becomes 6, which is option C. Next.